What if he told you that the real secret to retiring early has nothing to do with saving more, working harder, or even investing in the so-called right stocks? Because there's one truth about early retirement that almost nobody talks about. Yet it quietly determines whether you'll retire at 45, 55, or maybe never. And once you understand it, early retirement stops being a dream and becomes a formula. Most people think early retirement is all about income. Earn more, save more, invest more. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Your income matters far less than what I am about to tell you. We've all been conditioned to believe that the road to freedom is paved with bigger paychecks. But if you ask anyone who actually retired early, they'll tell you it wasn't their income that set them free. It was something else entirely. Alright, here it is. The real secret to early retirement is lowering the one expense that silently destroys your future wealth. I'm not talking about lattes, vacations, or eating out. I'm talking about the big costs, especially the ones most people ignore. Transportation, housing, and the lifestyle creep. People think early retirement is about building wealth. But the truth is, it's really about stopping the leaks. Every single dollar you save on big expenses is a dollar that can compound for decades. That's why the people who retire early aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who spent the least on things society told them they needed. It isn't sexy, but it works every single time. Here's the math nobody teaches you. If you save $10,000 a year by simplifying your housing, transportation, or lifestyle, and you invested consistently at an average 7% return, after 20 years, you'll have $412,000. After 25 years, that's $656,000. And after 30 years, you're looking at $1.05 million. This is why early retirees almost always say the same thing. It wasn't the money he made. It was the lifestyle he chose. Early retirement isn't about not working. It's about not being forced to work. It's waking up when your body tells you to, not your alarm clock. It's choosing projects that excite you instead of the ones that drain you. It is having those precious moments with your family that you deemed they have to squeeze in between meetings. When you reduce your big expenses, you unlock the ultimate privilege, choice. And the choice is the real definition of wealth. So, here are 4 practical ways early retirees apply the secret. First, live just slightly below your means. This isn't extreme frugality, just intentional choices. Second, buy reliable used cars, not depreciating status symbols. Cars are wealth killers. Transportation is the silent tax on your future. Third, lower your housing costs, even by just 10 to 20%. This could mean roommates, a better location, negotiating rent, or a smaller space. Housing is your real retirement accelerator. And finally, treat every dollar you save like an employee. It's not just money you cap. It's money that now works for you, grows for you, and will eventually free you. The truth is, early retirement isn't built on income. It's built on intentional living. The people who retire early aren't the richest. They're the ones who understood the game sooner. And now that you know the secret, you're no more longer playing by society's rules. You're playing by your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building a life you love.